So we're here at the Technicolor, the Marseille corner. So what is Marseille?
Marseille is a semiconductor company in Silicon Valley. We make the world's first chip that's been certified by Technicolor to meet the standards of 4K image certification.
So you make this chip there?
We do, yes.
The first certified 4K by Technicolor.
That's right.
So who's Technicolor?
It's the first IC in the world certified by Technicolor to upconvert HD video to 4K in the highest quality. Technicolor is a Hollywood technology company. They've been in the business of movie making for 100 years. They work with all the major studios in production of Hollywood blockbuster films, Oscar-winning films you've certainly heard of, in enhancing the color in every frame of the movie would have Technicolor.
So Technicolor is a company?
Yes, it's a company in the U.S., headquartered in France, and they have offices worldwide.
What did they do, certification or?
Yeah, they develop the specs and test the part to make sure it meets the highest standards for HD to 4K up conversion.
So this is in the Toshiba box?
It is.
So there's a Toshiba Ultra HD 4K Blu-ray device?
That's right.
And it plays 4K at 30 frames per second, or?
It plays Blu-ray discs, which are generally 24 frames, at 24 frames, but at 4K resolution. It'll upscale using the Marseille part, and over HDMI 1.4, drive Technicolor certified 4K video to the TV.
But it also plays native 4K, right? It does both?
Well, it can only play what's on the disc, of course, and discs today are HD.
But if you have 4K content on your Blu-ray, will it play it, or?
Well, Blu-ray players today will only play HD. The Blu-ray Forum is working on a next generation spec to put 4K video on a next-gen Blu-ray optical media, but it's not available yet to consumer.
So this one doesn't play 4K native, but it upscales all the 1080 stuff?
Yes, exactly, exactly.
So how's your technology better than the other upscalers?
Well, there's a lot of upscalers out there, but this is the first upscaler in the world to meet Technicolor's standards. And Technicolor is very reputable, third-party, expert in the movie and theatrical release business, and they are the experts to certify it.
So how is that different from the other ones? Which parts do you do differently and better?
Well, a lot of that is the IP of the company, but I can tell you that we have a white paper that describes what we do in terms of sharpness, edge enhancement and edge restoration, noise reduction, in addition to up conversion. So it's everything together that really gives the full effect that Technicolor is certified.
So how many devices have your chip so far?
The first that's been announced is the Toshiba. There are others in the pipeline, but they don't like us to pre-announce their products, so I could say by CES you'll see other similar announcements.
So I'd see two HDMI outputs here. Why is that? On this board.
One's an HDMI input and one is an output. So it's HDMI in, HDMI out.
So basically you can you can put this after any Blu-ray player and put it on a 4K
That's right.
screen.
That's right.
And so are you going to sell something like this? Is somebody going to sell something like just
you mean an external?
External upscaler?
There are some companies planning to do that, yeah.
How much do you think it might cost?
For an external accessory like that?
It's going to be affordable.
I think it would. Oh, I think it would be well under $99. It would be very affordable.
Nice. So basically, everybody can just use their own Blu-ray player and just put this on.
That's possible with a 4K TV, of course. Yeah.
So how much better is it to use this than not using any upscaling at all? Is it a big difference?
Well, we think the results speak for themselves. You know, we've done many side-by-side tests. Technicolor has done those tests. They developed the specs. They're experts in video, and we're relying on their analysis and awarding us this certification.